Your kitchen probably has 20 gadgets you've used once and a drawer that won't close properly. We get it. But buried in all that clutter are a few tools that actually change how you cook, not because they're fancy, but because they solve problems you didn't know had solutions. These 15 do exactly that, earning their counter space one meal at a time. Number 15. Ice cream maker. Store-bought ice cream hides ingredients you can't pronounce, and good luck finding dairy-free options that don't taste like frozen sadness. The Ninja Creamy flips that script entirely. Prep your base with whatever ingredients you want. Full-fat decadent gelato, keto-friendly, vegan, literally anything. Freeze it overnight, then choose from 7 one-touch programs that combine speed, pressure, and time to shave through your frozen pint. Ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, we're talking total creative control. Mix in chocolate chips, crushed cookies, fresh berries, whatever sounds good. The respin function softens things up if you want it creamier. 3 simple steps between you and custom frozen treats that taste like actual food instead of science experiments. Number 14. Lid Sid. Pasta water boils over while you're checking your phone, flooding the stovetop with starchy chaos. Meet Lid Sid, a tiny silicone guy who props your pot lid open just enough to vent steam. Boilovers become physically impossible. He's heat-proof, infinitely reusable, and honestly kind of charming, sitting there doing his one job perfectly. Also doubles as a spoon, stand for avoiding messy counters. Sometimes the simplest solutions hit the hardest. Number 13. Smart wireless meat thermometer. You've got one shot at cooking expensive meat right, and traditional thermometers require opening the oven 17 times, like you're checking on a hostage situation. This wireless thermometer monitors everything from your couch. 5 sensors track internal temperature from multiple angles, while an ambient sensor reads your cooking environment. Real-time updates stream to your phone via Wi-Fi, unlimited range, so you can actually enjoy the party instead of babysitting a brisket. The probe survives 1000 degrees Fahrenheit without flinching. Ultra-thin design keeps juices locked inside. The battery lasts 70 hours for marathon smoking sessions. The app serves up hundreds of presets, USDA-approved doneness levels, and expert video recipes. Audio notifications from the Smart Hub plus push alerts to your phone. Perfect meat stops being about lucky attempts. Number 12. Microwave steam cleaner. Your microwave remembers every trauma, splattered marinara, and exploded soup, all of it cemented to the walls like evidence at a crime scene. Fill this little container with water and vinegar, microwave it, and watch steam do what scrubbing couldn't. Everything loosens up and wipes away clean. No harsh chemicals, no weird angles trying to scrub inside a hot box. And the best part? Its playful design will also evoke nostalgia for your mom's temper. Number 11. Electric Composter. Kitchen scraps pile up fast, turning your trash into a guilt trip about waste and missed gardening opportunities. This countertop composter transforms banana peels and coffee grounds into nutrient-rich soil in 4 to 6 hours. One button starts it. Standard or quick mode, your call. Built-in activated carbon filters kill odors completely, so decomposition happens without broadcasting it across your apartment. Auto-cleaning function is the real MVP. Add water, press clean, residue vanishes. Runs quieter than your fridge at 42 decibels. Start it before bed. Wake up to a compost ready for your garden, houseplants, whatever needs feeding. Compact, elegant, actually useful. Number 10. Vegetable chopper. Dicing onions leads to tears and uneven chunks, and mincing garlic leaves your hands smelling like you're warding off vampires for 3 days. This chopper delivers uniform pieces with barely any effort. A sharp stainless steel blade rotates as you pump the comfortable handle. Catches everything in a cup with measurement markings. Handles vegetables, herbs, nuts, and anything needing consistent cuts for salads, salsas, stir-fries, and sauces. 10 minutes of knife work becomes 30 seconds of pumping. The difference between making fresh pico de gallo or settling for jarred salsa often comes down to whether prep feels manageable. This makes it manageable. Number 9. Coffee machine. Mornings demand coffee, but most espresso machines take up half your counter and require a PhD to operate. This compact beast brews fresh espresso in 2 minutes flat with 3.5 bar pressure and an 800-watt heating system. Measures just 8.3 inches by 6 inches by 11.8 inches, weighing only 3.3 pounds, and fits anywhere without dominating your kitchen. One-touch operation makes brewing and frothing dead simple. The adjustable steam wand creates proper cappuccino foam. BPA-free cups preserve actual coffee flavor. Safety locks prevent brewing disasters from improper setup. Use dark roast, medium coarse grounds, and you'll get cafe-quality results without the cafe-level hassle. Number 8. Hot Dog and Bun Toaster. Kids ask for hot dogs 3 times a week, and you're stuck choosing between waterlogged sadness or microwave rubber. Here's the thing. This toaster treats hot dogs like they deserve respect. Dedicated slots crisp the buns to actual golden brown, while protective cages rotate the dogs for even cooking. Everything emerges at the same moment. Nothing soggy, nothing split open. Adjustable heat settings mean you control the char level, and the drip tray keeps grease contained instead of creating a stovetop crime scene. It's weirdly specific until you're reaching for it on a random Wednesday and realizing it's eliminated the entire "how should I cook these" internal debate. Your kids get consistent results. You avoid cleanup drama, and honestly, the buns come out better than most restaurants manage. Number 7. 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Small kitchens turn into Tetris games when every tool demands dedicated cabinet space. This set consolidates everything. A stainless steel colander sits inside a 4-quart bowl with a rotating pivot that keeps food from spilling while draining. Removable lid center accepts 3 different grater attachments for cheese, vegetables, whatever needs shredding. Everything nests together for storage. Top rack dishwasher safe, freezer safe, built from premium materials that resist dents and rust. 4 tools occupy the space of 1. Finally, some breathing room in those cabinets. Number 6. Food warming mat. Stovetops have 4 burners, but dinner parties demand 7 dishes at the perfect temperature simultaneously. This silicone mat solves that math problem. One touch activates warmth in 8 seconds, full heat in 7 minutes. 7 temperature levels, 8 timer options, and smart sensors maintain consistent heat automatically. Unfolds to 32 by 15 inches, serious coverage for keeping sides warm while you finish mains. Also thaws frozen ingredients, proofs bread, melts chocolate, and even warms face masks. Rolls up tight or hangs on a hook. Child lock and auto shut-off handle safety. Dinner parties stop being temperature juggling acts. Number 5. Rolling grill basket. Ever tried grilling vegetables and ended up playing Rescue the Zucchini from the Flames with your tongs? This mesh basket locks everything down. Flip the whole thing like you're using a spatula, bell peppers, Brussels sprouts, shrimp, whatever. It all turns together without a single piece making a break for the coals. The stainless steel construction means you can get aggressive with the heat, and nothing slipping through those tight openings. Storage is smarter than expected. The smaller basket nests inside the larger one, wooden handles pop off, and suddenly you've got a flat package that actually fits in a drawer. Grilling season just got less stressful and way more vegetable friendly. Number 4. Heavy-duty poultry shears. Cutting raw chicken with regular scissors feels barbaric, and knives slip on slick skin like you're performing surgery without proper tools. These shears cut through bone, cartilage, skin, and anything poultry throws at you. High-carbon stainless steel stays sharp. Spring-loaded design with spare springs included. Thumb-activated safety lock prevents drawer accidents. But here's the thing. They're not just for poultry. Crack nuts, scale fish, debone meat, snip herbs, destroy packaging. Ergonomic cushioned grip eliminates hand fatigue. Dishwasher safe. They replace multiple tools while taking up the space of one. Number 3. Microwave popcorn popper. Movie night means choosing between overpriced pre-bagged popcorn that burns half the kernels or standing at the stove like it's 1985. This microwave popper skips the sketchy chemicals entirely. Hot air does all the work, no oil needed, which means you actually taste popcorn instead of whatever coating they spray on those bags. You can watch kernels pop through the clear container, which is oddly satisfying when you're waiting for your movie to load. Real butter gets drizzled on after, the way it should be. Clean it in about 10 seconds under the tap. Portion sizes make sense for once. No more eating an entire grocery bag's worth because, well, it's already open. Just honest popcorn that doesn't smell like a chemical plant. Number 2, electric rapid egg cooker. Eggs overcook in literal seconds, and altitude, egg size, and starting temperature all conspire to make stovetop cooking feel like defusing a bomb. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker handles everything. Hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled, and individual omelets. Built-in precision thermal sensors guarantee perfect results every time. All accessories are stored inside the appliance, space-saving magic. Non-electric parts go straight into the dishwasher. Eggs in minutes, consistently, without babysitting a pot. Meal prep becomes effortless, and protein snacks appear on demand. The ease factor changes how often eggs actually get cooked instead of just considered. Number 1, Epic One. Multifunction opener. Arthritis makes jar lids feel welded shut, and kitchen drawers overflow with single-purpose openers that each handle exactly one specific thing. Epic One handles everything. Beer bottles, water caps, pull-tab cans, soda cans, jar lids of all sizes, conquered by one parrot-shaped tool. Streamlined leverage design requires minimal hand strength. Adjustable stainless steel plate grips any cap firmly. No more battling lids alone. Built-in magnet sticks to your fridge. Finally, a decorative magnet with actual utility. Compact enough to travel. Durable enough to survive daily abuse. Seniors, arthritis sufferers. Anyone with weak grip strength, this levels the playing field completely.